Okay, it's May 6th, crappy day in New England. May 6, 2012, and we're going to do a cold start on a 2007 ZX10R Kawasaki bike. Just going to get some up-close pictures. A beautiful machine, shines just like new. I've owned this bike about a year now. I really haven't driven it. Front tire. Show you the back tire here. Go. Here, previous owner. But the bike is really kind of showroom. You could just clean it up and put it right back on the showroom. And a few scratches here. You see along here. Tough to see with the lights. Sun, and so just a little scratch here for whoever did that, not me. And front tire, just a beautiful machine. And let's start this thing up and listen to her go. Modes on it. I get about 200 miles out of a tank of fuel. It's got a lap counter on it if you want to bring it to a racetrack. It's probably about 47 degrees right now, so it's pretty cold. Pretty badass machine. And then the revs come right down to about 1200, and you're ready to go supersonic. Key off. So there's 7,054 on it. And that's my cold start video for my ZX10R. May 5th, May 6th, 2012.